is a straightforward one from probability. For ease, let's just say PE equals to P1, PF equals, let's just say PE intersection G equals to 1 by 10 is P. So what we have is, let's go to the options now. We have A, so PE intersection F. We know that this plus P would be the probability E intersection F. So we have P is 1 by 10 and this probability would be less than minimum of PE and PF, less than equals to rather. So we have minimum of these is 1 by 8, so which is 1 by 8. So we have this is less than 1 by 8 minus 1 by 10, less than equals to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 10, which is 1 by 40. So A option is correct. Similarly, what we will see for option B, this plus P is PF intersection G, which would be less than this, and minimum of PG and PF is 1 by 6. So this thing will be less than equals to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10, which is 5 minus 3, 2 by 30, which is 1 by 15. So B option is also correct. When looking at option C, we have PE union F union G. First we'll do the simplest bound. This would be less than equals to PE plus PF plus PG, which is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4 will become 3 plus 4 plus 6 by 24, which is 13 by 24. So this probability is less than equals to 13 by 24, which is option C. So C option is correct. So now we have option C, that gives us 1 minus P. Complement of this will become E complement intersection F complement intersection G complement is less than 13 by 24, which gives me the left hand side of this inequality in option D. Complement is greater than or equals to 11 by 24. But if this is greater than or equals to 11 by 24 and option D says that this is less than or equals to 10 by 24, so option D is incorrect. So the answer is A, B, C.